Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to have Bridging the Gap from Grade 3, Formation of Questions and Sentences using did and did not. In this lesson we are going to recall the use of past simple, regular and irregular verbs, recall the formation of questions and their answers in the past simple, recall the formation of questions using did. Apply the rule through answering some questions. Are you ready to start? Let's begin. Let's read this paragraph together. Are you ready? Let's start. Yesterday I visited my friend Ali. We talked, studied, and played computer games. And we had dinner. I ate 2 slices of pizza. Ali's mother made for us a delicious chocolate cake. Now tell me, what did you notice about this paragraph? Well done. This paragraph is written in the past simple tense because we are talking about things happened and finished yesterday. Now, can you spot the past verbs in these sentences? Well done. The past verbs we have here are visited, talked, studied, played, had, ate, and made. Now repeat after me. Play, visit, talk, study. Now these verbs are in the base form. Now let's change it into the past tense. Play becomes played. Visit becomes visited. Talk becomes talked. Study becomes studied. Now tell me, what did you notice about these past verbs? Well done. They are regular verbs. Verbs that take ed at the end. Repeat after me. Eat, see, have, and make. All these verbs are in the base form. Let's change them into the past tense form. Now eat becomes ate. See becomes saw. Have becomes had. Make becomes made. Now tell me, what did you notice about these verbs? Excellent. They are irregular verbs. It means that verbs that do not take ed at the end. Pay attention to the pictures. Let's read these sentences together. He didn't have a sandwich. He had pizza. The first sentence is written in the negative form and the second sentence is written in the affirmative form. Pay attention to didn't have. Didn't have is the past negative form of the verb had. Now pay attention to the verb have. This verb comes in the base form. Do you know why? Correct, because we have didn't in the sentence. So whenever we have didn't, the verb comes after it in the base form. For example, didn't have. Let's have another example. They didn't play football. They played computer games. Now tell me, which one of these sentences is the negative form? Very good. Number 1 is written in the negative form and the second one is written in the affirmative form. Now, pay attention to didn't play. Didn't play is the past negative form of the verb played. Remember, we use the past simple tense when we talk about actions happened and finished in the past. For example, when we talk about things happened yesterday. Always remember, in forming sentences in past simple tense, we can use the affirmative form. We start the sentence with the subject followed by regular verb, or we start the sentence with the subject followed by irregular verb. For example, I played basketball. He ate chocolate cake. They saw a rabbit. Or we can use the negative form. We start the sentence with the subject, then we add didn't, then we use the verb in the base form. For example, I didn't play basketball. He didn't eat chocolate cake. They didn't see a rabbit. Now, let's practice. In this activity, you are going to read and choose the correct answer. Number 1. Ali to the shopping center yesterday. This sentence is written in the past because we have the word yesterday. So, which one is going to be the correct answer? Go, goes, went, or going? Very good. The answer is went. Good job. Number 2. Reem and Sarah didn't their grandmother yesterday. Also, this sentence is written in the past tense because we are talking about yesterday. And also we have the negative form didn't. So the correct answer will be visit, or visits, or visited, or visiting. Very good. The correct answer is visit. Well done. This is Ahmed and this is Noura. Let's read their dialogue together. Did you play football yesterday, Ahmed? No, I didn't. Look at the question. Can you spot the main verb in this question? Very good. The main verb is play. Play comes in the base form because the question starts with did. And the answer starts with no. It means that we have to add not to did. So it will become no, I didn't. Did you play computer games yesterday? Yes, I did. Pay attention to the question. Can you spot the verb in this question? Very good. The main verb is play. And it comes in the base form because the question starts with did. To create a question that will be answered with a yes or a no, start the question with did. Then add the subject, followed by the base form of the verb. Then add the rest of the sentence. Then add question mark at the end. For example, did he play basketball? To create the answer, we have two ways. You can use the affirmative answer that starts with yes, followed by the subject, then we add did, and full stop at the end, or we can say the negative answer starts with no, followed by the subject, then we add did not, and full stop at the end. For example, yes, he did, or we can say no, he didn't. Let's practice more. Read and choose the correct answer. Number 1. Did Salim visit his grandmother yesterday? A. No, he isn't. B. No, he didn't. C. No, he hasn't. D. No, he doesn't. Pay attention to the question again. The question starts with did. So, the answer will be very good. No, he didn't. Number 2. Did Salim an ice cream? A. Eat. B. Ate. C. Eats. D. Eating. Now again pay attention to the question. It starts with did. So, the verb should be in the base form. The answer will be eat. Very good. Do as shown between brackets. Number 1. Did Reem study maths yesterday? No, she. The order we have here is to complete. So, look at the question again. The question starts with did, and the answer starts with no. So, the correct answer will be no, she didn't. Good job. Now let's do number 2 together. Did Ali go to school yesterday? Yes, he. And the order we have here is to complete. Now, the question starts with did, and the answer starts with yes. So the correct answer will be yes, he did. Well done. Well done, everyone. I know you could do it. Let's practice more. In this activity, you are going to look and write, then answer the question. Let's do number 1 together. Go to the zoo and go to the park. We need to change these two phrases into the negative past form and into the affirmative past form. Let's start with the first form. Go to the zoo. Now look at the picture. We have to change go into the past negative form. So it will be they didn't go to the zoo. They went to the park. Now let's answer the question. Did they go to the park? The answer is yes, they did. Now it's your turn. Try to do number 2 by yourself. Look at the picture, then change these phrases, play tennis, play basketball, into the past negative and affirmative form. Then answer this question. Did he play basketball? Don't forget to share your answers with us. Thank you and see you next lesson.